Hello, good morning. If you want to learn about one of the best programming language, Python, there are so many programming languages, but Python is one of the easiest user-friendly programming language. If you want to learn from beginning, basic knowledge, then let's start. What is Python first? It's a programming language, object-oriented programming language. If we'll talk about the features, it is an object-oriented programming language and it is user-friendly. The first class, we will start about the Python programming. How will get the Python software? It is a software. So let's start. First, these are the applications. Why we will use Python application? In which field sector we can use? Number one, web and internet development. We can use Python application in web and internet development. In desktop GUI application, graphical user interface applications we can make by using Python application. Scientific and numeric for research purpose we can use. Software development we can create software. In education sector we can use Python. Business, games, 3D graphics, network programming and database we can use Python applications. So now how to download Python? It is free of cost, very easy to download. Just open Google Chrome, any web browser, Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. In the search box, you just write download Python. If you click, it will show the Python dialog box where you can get the latest versions of Python. So for which ways you need, if we are using Windows of any version, you can download Python. You choose the Windows version. If Linux, Unix or Mac OS, whatever, you choose accordingly and download the latest version. Then after in downloaded folder, just double click there and install so that it will install in your system. Then how to open? Just click on start button. There you search ideally idle Python. So that idle Python window will appear. So there are two modes of Python. One is interactive mode and another is script mode. In interactive mode, when you will open Python, the first window whatever will appear left side you can see that is interactive mode. Here only short program you can write and see the output immediately. This is interactive mode. The right angle bracket, three right angle bracket is there. You can see that is called command prompt. From there you can start writing the program or code. Okay. And interface, one line write interface so that you will get output result. If any error, then it will show the error information, message. Yes. Then another mode is there, script mode. Right side you can see. Go to file, new file, click on file option, new file. So that right side you can get just notepad type window will appear with file edit format run option, window help option is there, menu is there. So here directly you write the bigger program. If it is more than 2 line, 3 line or more than that, then you can use script mode. Here you just write all the programs and then run it. How to run it? Click on run menu, then run module. Two options is there. Run click and run module click, so that output will appear in interactive mode. Like this below you can see. Here x equal to 200, y equal to 100, z equal to x plus y. Print the sum of value is comma z. So here when you will run, it will show the sum of value is 300. Okay, in interactive mode it is showing. So later we'll discuss. Then so these are the two modes of Python. So now we'll learn about the keywords in Python. It is very important. Keywords you need to remember, so that by using these keywords, statements, functions, we can operate, we can use, we can write the programming language like false, non true, and assert, as, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, while, return, non-local, lambda, raise, pass, eld, with. So now I will discuss some of the identifiers. What is identifiers? Identifiers are the name used to give an identity to a variable, function, class, object, or arrays. Okay. Then how you will write identifiers? So identifiers, some rules are there. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase a to z or uppercase a to z. Both you can use. Digits 0 to 9 or an underscore. So names like my class, you can use var underscore 1 or print underscore this underscore 2 underscore screen. You can use both letters, numbers, and underscores. These are the valid examples. But an identifier cannot start with a digit. It cannot start like a 1 underscore name. It should not be start with a digit. So keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Whatever keywords I have shown, all the keywords, that cannot be used as identifiers. We cannot use special symbols like dollar, hash, at the rate, exclamation mark, percentage, anything. Only underscore is allowed. An identifier can be of any length. It is bigger now character also it will accept. It cannot have space, no space in between. It will write class print underscore this, means that gap will be underscore. Okay, the name underscore 100 underscore display. Suppose one example, but there is no space. Okay, so now some of the numerical literals, numbers, how you will use in Python. So basic things you need to know. So numeric letters, literals are immutable. Means these literals can belong to following 4 different numerical types. Okay, it is immutable. And first one is integer, float, complex. Okay, three types of numeric literals. What is integer? Integer you can write in short int when you write the program. Next video I will show you. When you write the program, you will write in short form for integer int, and if you what is the definition? Whole numbers, it is positive or negative without a decimal point. Any numbers 0 to any numbers, positive numbers or negative numbers, it should be integer part, and there will be no decimal point like 2.5, 5.7, anything. No. Usage: counting things, indexing, loop counters. It can be used in counting things. Any index you need to make. Then what is float? Float where when you will use when numbers with a decimal point or in exponential form. Means examples 3.14. So here 3.14 in a decimal point you can mention, or in a negative point like minus 0.001, or another mathematical term that is 5e2, which means 5. E means the decimal value is 10 to the power 2, means value is 500.0. Okay. And last one is complex. So here what is the use? Numbers with a real and an imaginary part. Here both written as your a plus bj. So higher class like electrical engineering, quantum physics, advanced math, you can use the complex. So maximum you will use integer and float. Very rare is complex. So here both real and imaginary part you need to use. So here you can use j. J is the imaginary unit in Python. So you need to suppose a plus b. So there you can add j. Okay. So next is, so here are some Python arithmetic operators you need to use, you need to remember. Symbol is plus, symbol plus sign, you know, that is addition, and description adds two numbers, 5 plus 3. Result is out, 8, you know that. So minus subtraction, you can subtract that two numbers. Multiplication, you can write 5 star 3. For multiplication, you need to write into per star. Slash for division, 5 by 2, 5 slash 2, that means divides. And if you divide 5 by 2, it will show 2.5 with decimal values. If you write double slash, suppose 5 slash slash 2, that is called floor division. That means it should it will show the rounded figure. It will not show the remainder. 2 2s are 4, 1 left, so 2 will be the answer. If you write the percentage, that is modulus, it gives the remainder part. 5 divided by 2, that means remainder is 1. It will show the remainder part. Okay. So next video we'll see, directly we'll go through the programs, and many more programs are there. Just watch. Thank you.